So you're looking for a tuning tool for your workshop business and you're not sure which one to get. So can I recommend this for the more advanced and comprehensive businesses? This is the Magic Flex, and there's not much it can't do. So if you're looking for a tool that will let your business do almost everything, this is very much the one that you want, because this tool will do ECU tuning, it will do TCU tuning, it's also perfect for mechatronic technicians as well. And in terms of a cloning tool, it is the best on the market. If you're looking to do mapping work, it's fantastic for that, but also it has a very strong diagnostic function, great for engines, great for transmissions, and all at a very attractive entry-level price. What's great about this is the sheer flexibility. So you've got OBD, bench and boot, and JTAG workflows, giving you every possible way of reading the data and getting the information. So this package is a great fit for tuners who want a workshop grade tool that does everything rather than an entry-level option. So what's in the box? Well, it might be quicker to tell you what's not in the box. If you like value, if you like to have that Apple unboxing moment and you open this up, you're going to be absolutely delighted. Of course you get the tool, but you also get every possible leading connection for the tool. And don't forget that's OBD, boot, bench and JTAG workflow as well. Your power supply, every possible power adapter you could ever need and every connection you could ever need. It's all there. If you're starting up, go for the startup kit. That's everything you see here. That's 5 free car files and you get the battery stabilizer as well to make sure you've got that constant voltage. If you're going to go pro, go for the pro kit. That gives you all of that, plus the diagnostic tool, this lengthy extension cable, and so you look good on the first day of work. You also get the VIEZU jacket and polo shirt combo as well. So if you want to give your business everything it could possibly need in the workshop, just head to the VIEZU website.